How to delete your Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can delete your Messenger account. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Messenger app and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the little hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on the gear icon that you'll find beside your username. Now here on the screen you can see my username Bipin Basnet, and beside it you can see a little gear icon. You'll find similar gear icon on your screen. Simply tap on it and this menu opens up here. Now what you want to do is scroll down below until you find the option account settings. You can see below the option switch account. Simply tap on account settings, and what you want to do is once this page loads up here, you can see head into the first option that you'll find. You can see the personal information. Tap on personal information and open it up, and you can see the option account manage account. Now here you'll find the option to deactivate account. You can see as on the screen. Simply tap on deactivate and it'll ask you for password, and simply type in your password and your Messenger will be deactivated along with your Facebook account as well. Now there is no any way that you can delete your Messenger account but keep your Facebook account once it's connected. So if you want to delete your Facebook and Messenger as well, you can head into Facebook, and from there you can continue to account deletion and delete your Messenger as well. So this is the way you can delete Messenger account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.